Hi everyone. I've got these little eye pins that we're going to hang some star flag charms off of for 4th of July. I'm doing them for 4th of July week. I was going to do them all of July 4th and I forgot I had made them up I had bagged them up to do, and I forgot about them. And I got behind. There's a lot of stuff going on, so we've had to do a lot of stuff around the house. So, yeah. So we've been busy. And my son planted me an orange tree. Well, two. They're supposed to grow in zone 8. They'll grow in zone 7. You just have to really protect them. And so they're planted in the ground. So we'll see. We'll see how well I can protect them. Hang Christmas lights and mulch them real good and put like that road cover stuff on them, and if it gets really cold I'm going to throw a blanket over them. So we'll see how I manage. I got them at Mackenzie Farms out of, I think it's Scranton, South Carolina. They have a webpage. He's got a lot of different varieties. He's supposed to have a YouTube channel, and I'm subscribed to it. But he doesn't have many videos up, so hopefully he'll put more videos up. But we're going to just twist these open and put our stars on first. Because from past experiences, if you don't put your charms on first, you'll have a hard time getting them on after. So we're going to take our heart and a spacer, and that's, I don't know what size heart that is. Let's see. Looks about like an 8. 4mm spacer. These are about 5.5 to 6. I think they vary. And a spacer, and then our blue one. And we'll do the same on this one. Our heart, our spacer, our red one, our spacer, and our blue one. Later on, after my plant starts bushing out, I'll try to post a video of it so y'all can see. See if I can grow oranges here. They're a Satsuma, so they're supposed to be rated for cold weather. So, and if worse comes to worse, I'll put a little light bulb or something out there, or a space heater. They say you can use the big old black water jug things to hold the heat near them. So I don't think I'll need a space heater, but maybe some incandescent light bulbs out there with them, and some of the big Christmas lights. And I want some lemons, so I might try them, but I'll have to protect them even more because they're really cold sensitive. And I'd like to get some pomegranates. And an olive tree or two. That way we could make our own olive oil. There they are. We just bent them back, rolled them around, clipped them a 1/2 inch. So I'll just eyeball that. Y'all can measure if you want to. About a 1/2 inch usually do it. Then we'll hold our little charm so we know where the front is. And we'll put it where it's like that. And we'll twist it back. Twist it open. Get your charm in your hand. Hold it like that, and then you twist it back. You don't ever pull them open, because if you do, you're going to misshapen your eye, and then you're going to have a hard time getting it back together. And you will need chain nose, no teeth, round nose, and flush cutters to do this. Beads, eye pins, charms, and ear wires. And you use spacers, or you don't have to use spacers. I just like the look at the spacers in it. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. Check out our other channels in the description. And like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all have a wonderful 4th of July. And y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.